Easy English, cash, cashless and must-know money words. Hi, everyone. Welcome to our video. Easy English, cash, cashless, and must-know money words. Do you use coins and bills? Or do you use a card or phone to pay? Today, let's learn how people pay for things and understand some important money words. Let's go. Part 1. What is cash and what is cashless? Cash means money you can touch, like coins and bills. You use cash to buy food, toys, or a train ticket. Easy, right? But there's also cashless payment. People pay using a credit card, a smartphone, or even a watch. Let's look at some examples. Part 2. Paying with cash or phone. Pros and cons. This girl buys a drink with cash. She gives coins and gets change. It's easy and clear. But carrying cash can be risky. You might lose it, or it might get stolen. This man uses a card to pay for his coffee. No need for change, just tap and go. But sometimes, it can be a problem. Because it's so easy, we might use the card too much. And that can lead to debt. This woman uses her phone to buy a train ticket. It's very fast and easy. No need to carry coins or bills. But your phone needs to be connected to a card, and the battery must be charged. If your phone dies, that means the battery runs out, you can't use it. Cashless payments are very convenient, but it's easy to spend too much without noticing. So, be careful and check your balance often. Part 3. Let's learn money words. Now, let's learn some money words together. Cash. Coins and bills you can hold. Fare. The money you pay to ride a bus or taxi. Fee. A payment made for a service, like attending a school or entering a movie theater. Income. The money you receive, usually for doing work, or from other sources, such as salary or wages. Expenses. Money that you spend on things you need or want, like food, transportation, or entertainment. Allowance. Money that someone receives regularly, often from parents or guardians. Saving. Money you set aside to use later, instead of spending right away. Debt. Money you owe to someone else. It usually means you borrowed money and need to pay it back later, sometimes with extra charges, called interest. Great job! Now you know the different ways to pay, with cash or cashless options. And you've learned useful money words. Which do you like more, cash or cashless? Tell us in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell to learn more with us. See you next time.